So firstly, if we take a look at police, drones in police tend to be used in two main categories, and that is support in pre-planned operations, large operations, and use in more reactive cases, so when drones are needed to be up in the air quickly to respond to something that's happening there and then. So the main benefits for drones in policing is effectively to save time and money, along with manpower. Now that's compared to traditional methods such as helicopters, which are very expensive, becoming less and less available to policing as cutbacks increase, and drones are allowing police to be much more efficient with their time. Police with drones will tend to use really high-powered zoom-capable cameras for surveillance, as well as thermal cameras and sensors for missing person operations, for detecting and tracking people. And also they want to make sure the kit is very easy to operate. It has to be rugged, has to be able to deploy in a very small amount of time, and not take a huge amount of maintenance. A few examples of use cases for police would be following vehicles off-road, surveying for cannabis farms, crowd surveillance, and recording evidence at general operations.